I'm in the north. Not. I'm in one of the Hausa towns in Lagos. So welcome to Idi Araba. I want to experience everything about the north without necessarily going to the north. I want to see their food, their culture, their textiles, their profession, and everything in between.
So there are a lot of misconceptions, and the Hausa culture, if you are with the Hausas, you don't have problem. You can only have problem if you do 2 to 3 things.
2 to 3 things.
2 to 3 things. Number one, don't look down at their culture.
Okay. Sitting on this floor now is a sign of respect to your
You see, my parents cannot be sitting on the chair and I will be sitting on the chair because of civilization now. There are some ulamas or some imams that said, with civilization, we tend to forget our culture. For example, now, before, look at the way our mothers do dress. You understand? Even if they are doing fashion, they dress decently, modestly. But you see a lady wearing miniskirt in front of her daughter, taking alcohol in front of her daughter, a man hugging her, kissing her in front of her daughter. Then tell me, what do you expect that daughter to do? She thinks it's a good thing. It's a normal thing. It will not happen in Hausa culture. It will never happen in Hausa culture. Number two, don't look down at their religion. Number three, don't start chasing their wives and daughters.
And I like the fact that he said that the women are now they food the whole school.
Women fool.
What's the clear difference between the Fulanis and the Hausas?
They have different cultures and different language. Yes.
And now I attribute everybody else.
Hausa.
That's why they say Hausa Fulani. A lot of us don't hear Fulani.
Oh.
Yes. A lot of us don't hear Fulani. There are a lot of Fulani that don't hear Hausa. But you have a lot that hear Hausa. Why? Because Hausa is a general language.
Okay.
Hausa, not even in the north. You go to Chad, you go to Niger, you go to Cameroon, even Sudan. You go to Sudan, Senegal, Mali. Yes, Hausa is a language, is one of the most popular languages in Africa. It's spread, you understand? But they have different cultures, different language. But Fulani are nomads. They go with their cows, so they don't live in town. While the Hausas are people that lives in the urban and they do farming.
Farming.
Yes, they do farming. They are into farming, they are into business and things like that. Yes, so that's the difference. If you come to somebody's house, respect his culture, respect his religion, respect his family values. Once you do that, you don't have problem. The Hausa man can go to any length to make you comfortable.
Kowa Malam means all Malams.
Okay.
Yes, so this is like a general wear for men in the north.
Okay.
So
Wow.
they call it half shoe. But
okay.
now we get them.
Hey.
Now not that people get half shoe. Now just the differ from us.
Hey, wait. Apologies. Oh, I'm seeing this embroidery in this particular to the Hausa culture.
This kind of design is for Hausa people mainly. So if you see it anywhere, they copied it from Hausa people. This chinkone we call it tinko.
Tinko.
Yes, the design is called tinko.
Beauty couture. Don't play. Please, I now take bookings. Thank you very much. We take bookings right now. My mom wanted me to learn how to sew. My daddy said I should go and learn computer. Shebi, I'm cooking now. So this is the fresh date. I'm just seeing it for the first time. This is fresh date. What's this one? This is Bambara nut. This is Opa. Wait. Opa seed. Bambara nut. Yes, Bambara nut. This Opa. Kwaruru. Please, I want to try all of them. Hey, I've actually heard that Igbo people are not the only people that take Oba that is in the north. So this is the first time I'm trying it. This is different. The sugar in this one is not as high. So now I want to try this one. Waruru Oba. Okay, so they do it the same way they do groundnut. Okay. Yeah. I can taste Oba, but in a groundnut way. I can eat this with dairy.
Tiger nuts, milk,
And
and a bit of sugar.
really? This thing is 50 naira. Jesus, this thing is tiny. They are laughing at me.
Anita beda dogare dole mu kare gimbiyar Hausa zanzo gidan kukube banda gobe zanzo.
This groundnut something.
Groundnut, sugar. Groundnut with sugar. With lime.
With lime.
Yeah.
Okay, I understand.
So I'll take this, and take one together, and eat it together.
So you see the taste how it is.
So for people that think that they use normal color, sorry to burst your body, that color is actually pepper. And I taste it. So they said the color is pepper. It's not actual color. It's actually a pepper that is red. I wonder what it is. What's it? It's hot. It's pepper. It's not as much as, but it's pepper. It's just that it's color. See? It's pepper.
I'm telling you, sorry.
Okay. Okay, for this to become wara, they'll have to add that ogi water. When it's boiling, then it will turn to wara. I think the ogi water is for wara, but without the ogi water, then it's for milk.
Akamu water is acidic, so I think it's what's going to make everything clump together.
Yes.
And then it will not separate the thickness from it. Makes more sense. Science.
Makes sense now.
You do science. Fermented a bit of flour and it's chewy in the mouth. So this particular one, there's no onions, it's just there because she wanted me to express it. And guys, this thing is actually very nice. I like the gooey feel it has in my mouth, and that tangy taste actually makes me want to eat. When I dipped this thing inside that pepper, hey! frying don't want cake. Don't want cake. So if you see the big ones, it's me that I'm still learning. So let's go. This thing is nice though. I like it, but I prefer Masa. It has a nice chewy feel in the mouth. It's chewy, like food. It's mouthful. And the pepper. And the pepper gave it that hotness and taste. Then the vegetable gave it that extra crunch. My name is Hadiza. When you see me, you call me Chef Hadiza. I'm about to change my name in my passport. My husband should take notes. I've changed my name. So today I went around the community. I saw what they do for a living. They sew, they do embroidery. In fact, it's particular for them. They do shoe making. In fact, there's a particular shoe I forgot to make, but actually I found out that half shoe is actually their own. This is just like when I went to the market, I saw different snacks, different things, and it's actually so nice. And here coming to eat the down cake, because they say it's in the throat. Cake and Masa. Kai! I can't wait to try another recipe again. So I'll come back again. Anybody that says Hausa food is not sweet, come, I'll slap you. Come, this thing is actually nice. Oh, Tilo. You do behind the scene. See this one is drinking this scene. Thanks for YouTube channel. If you don't subscribe, I'll put them in your eye. But you tell my people, bye-bye.